Good evening. This is Robert Pulse. Want to do a really quickie tonight. Let me see if I can get everything all set up here. I was having problems today. I was trying to do RootsMagic, which is showing up on screen one. Okay, now, according to my little chart here, you should be seeing RootsMagic. Okay, now, as you know, I've been doing a lot of work on Auta Kennedy. Let me show you Auta Kennedy's file so we understand everything. And you'll notice that she has a lot of alternate names. And she has a lot more than what's in here, in fact. And so I'm going to try and take and print out a report of what alternate names she has. And I've had a lot of fun trying to do this today. So let's close this and let's go down to search, which is my favorite way of printing out reports anymore. It's custom reports. And the one I'm working on is search for names. And I'll edit that. And let's look at the first. The first thing you do is you choose the person, and you choose that person. You click this, and you come over here and you choose the person that you want. Okay, and that's select. The second thing you do, and you want to take it, put it in here, and use this operator up here. And then I tried ignoring asterisks, contains P. None of this none of this is important. Let's do not. Yeah. Okay, now let's see what happens. We've got this all set up. So I've got ignore. Okay. And we say, okay. And now we say do search. And the key thing that I was missing was I have to click show alternate names up here. Now, these are the alternate names that are in there. I've got a lot more to put in there. The reason I was doing this was to see what names are in there. And then, unfortunately, it doesn't give me a chance to put the date of the event in here. Maybe it does. Let's see. Well, I'll go do that later on. Then I could figure out which event this falls under. But anyway, that's how you sort for names. And RootsMagic, I tried it multiple other ways. I was doing, let's go back and look at the search again. Edit. I kept looking. I'm going to add it, just add it, because I've got it. Going in event. And when you go in event, there's no fact type up here for alternate names. So don't go down that path. It doesn't work. And it confuses people. I tried to explain this on the users group, and I wasn't doing a very good job of it. So don't go down that path. What you do, and this is compliments of Bruce Busby, the high guru of RootsMagic. Okay. And he said, search by name. Well, I went in and searched by name, and I only got one name. And then I had to realize that I had to have this clicked right up here. And then when you do the search, it works. So that's all I wanted to do, or quick and dirty. This is how you do a search for alternate names on an individual. And I will go back through it one more time, just so everybody gets it. This is the third time. And first, you search by the person. So you choose the person, which, by the way, is right. Where is it? Person, group, family, person, right there. Okay. Okay. And then you choose the person like I showed you. You click on this and you go choose this person and you say select. And you'll see Auta Kennedy came up over here, and there's her reference number, and here's her family search reference number. Then you want to take and do it by name, and you want an AND operator. Okay. And all this stuff can be empty. Just search by name. Simple as pie. You wouldn't believe I've been on this all day, working off and on it. And you say, okay, and then you do the search, and this is what you get. Okay. So then you can take and customize this report and get any of the stuff that you want out. I'm going to try customize it and see if I can get the date at which each one of these are on there. Well, let's go do that while we're here. Event date, maybe, would be my, election, event. Immigration, no, event date. Okay. Just try date. Date. Degree, death, date edited. Don't think that's going to be it. All kinds of extra things in here. Well, I have to play around with that. Right now, what I wanted was the list of names. I got my list of names. I'll try and get the date at which each one of those names is implemented, so I can take and figure out which records I need to update, because there's like 10 more names. One of them is Auta Dude, which was a 1910 census. I know that one for sure. All righty, that's going to be it. I am going to shut everything down here. Let's stop the share. You have a great day, and as usual, I really do appreciate you viewing my video.